I said to let y'all niggas know, handouts ain't for everybody, my nigga. Same niggas that you out this bitch looking out for, my nigga, gonna be the same niggas that leave you out this bitch out this shit starving, my nigga. Fuck it. Man, I'm tired of giving niggas handouts. I'm really sick of giving niggas handouts. Cause everybody walking with their hand out. But when I stick my hand out, who gon' put their hand out? Man, I'm tired of giving niggas handouts. I'm really sick of giving niggas handouts. Cause everybody walking with their hand out. But when I stick my hand out, who gon' put their hand out? When they had their hand out, I was always there. But when I stick my hand out, seem like no one care. That's why I just stay solo, nigga, blowing on my tree for. I stick my hand out for a little and they like, bye, Felicia. And I wonder why, Felicia. That's why I stay high, Felicia. And keep my distance away from fuckery. I don't need it. I like to work hard and play harder when I want it. This ain't no flexing or faking. This payoff ain't no stunt. So it ain't no more looking out for people. Seem like the friends I supposed to be eating with. They had their own ends. But I can't understand why all these things they keep on happening. Some folks say it takes a tragedy to come up with a masterpiece. Is it a test to see if you really gon' take that route? A dude like daddy told you never leave your kids without. They say loose lips sink ships. I guess that's why I'm dolo. Cause the ones you call friends, they gon' fuck around and leave you solo. I'm tired of giving niggas handouts. I'm really sick of giving niggas handouts. Cause everybody walking with their hand out. But when I stick my hand out, who gon' put their hand out? Man, I'm tired of giving niggas handouts. I'm really sick of giving niggas handouts. Cause everybody walking with their hand out. But when I stick my hand out, who gon' put their hand out? Man, I'm just sick of looking out for niggas. Cause they always hungry, and you know that I'm gon' feed ya. Never leave my nigga starving, know that I'm a real one. Plus you know I'm from the hill, know we raised them real ones. Know my niggas never supposed to leave me lonely, never supposed to leave me hungry. But you know they left me lonely, stranded. Goddamn, now I'm a one-man bandit. And I'm doing my own thing, niggas can't stand me. Now you know I gotta grind hard for my kids. I know my boys love me, they always tell me that shit. I gotta do it cause my daddy taught me how to do it. And if I'm not gonna do it, then who else is gonna do it? Cause I'm just tired of giving niggas handouts. Cause everyone just walking with their hand out. They leave me lonely with my hand out. That's why Benji helped me stand out with my hand out, nigga.